The plants in your garden depend on healthy soil. How well do you know your soil? No two soils are exactly alike, which makes your soil unique. Gardeners should get to know the texture, color, and smell of their soil. It's also important to know your soil type. There are clay, silty, and sandy soil types. A mixture of these is called a loamy soil. Each soil type behaves differently from the others, and all plants prefer certain soil types. As a gardener, you cannot change your soil type. But that does not mean you cannot improve your soil. You should always consider organic matter alongside your soil type. Soil type refers to the mineral particles in your soil, while organic matter gives soil its dark color and rich earthy smell. Clay soils are dense and feel smooth and sticky. They drain slowly, are more difficult to work, yet are packed with nutrients. Organic matter helps open up clay soils, providing space for air, water, and nutrients to flow and access plant roots. Sandy soils are lightweight and feel loose and gritty. They drain and dry quickly, leach out nutrients, yet are easy to work. Organic matter helps unite sand particles into a spongy texture, providing greater nutrient and water-holding capacity. No matter your soil type, organic matter improves your soil. The Nitty Gritty is a tool that helps gardeners see their soil type. Use the Nitty Gritty to see how much clay, silt, and sand make up your soil. To make a Nitty Gritty, you'll need a trowel, a clear jar with a lid, and some water. Choose a central spot in your garden. Scoot aside mulch to reveal your soil, and use a trowel to dig at least 6 inches deep and place that soil into the jar. Fill your jar slightly past half full. Fill the rest of your jar with water and cap it tightly. Give the jar a good shake, making sure all of the soil mixes with the water. Lightly swirl the jar to help the soil settle evenly at the bottom, and place the jar on a flat surface. Sand, silt, and clay particles will settle at the bottom at different rates. This will help create separate layers that you can observe to identify your soil type. A layer of sand will settle immediately, followed by a layer of silt, finishing with a layer of clay. It will take up to a week for your nitty-gritty to completely settle, like the example on the right. While it's hard to tell in this video, the 3 layers will look very distinct. The layer of sand looks rough, while the layer of clay looks smooth. Organic matter floats to the top and gives the water a peaty brown color. What layer is the tallest in your nitty-gritty? Clay, silt, or sand? This is your soil type. Remember that you cannot change your soil type, but you can change how much organic matter is in your soil. Apply compost and mulch to add organic matter and build healthy soil in your garden.